Assalamu alaikum. You are watching ZR News. Jashan-e Mawlid Kaaba to be celebrated in Khairpur on 13th Rajab with devotion and reverence. 2,20,000,000 recitations of Durud Pak to be presented in the court of the Holy Prophet. Chairman Jamaat-e Salawat Committee Sindh, Qibla Sain Fakir Muhammad Salim Seal Awasi Qadri. Khairpur Bureau Chief Sucker STN News Haji Niaz Ali Nunari. As every year, this year too the Jashan-e Mawlid Kaaba will be celebrated with great devotion and respect on the 13th of Rajab. In this regard, a meeting of the Jamaat-e Salawat Committee Sindh Province was held under the chairmanship of Qibla Sain Fakir Muhammad Salim Seal Awasi Qadri, Chairman of Jamaat-e Salawat Committee Sindh. Addressing the meeting, the chairman said that, as per tradition, the celebration of Jashan-e Mawlid Kaaba will be held at village Wadiro Mir Muhammad Nunari, near Police Training Center Khairpur, where 2 crore recitations of Durud Pak, salutations upon the Holy Prophet, will be presented in the blessed court of the Messenger of Allah in gratitude for the birth of Imam Ali A.S. The meeting was attended by Sain Ghulam Muhammad Seal, Fakir Arbab Ali Maitlo, Patron-in-Chief of the committee Hajan Ali Maitlo, Qurban Ali Sato, Advocate High Court Saddam Hussain Seal, Mujahid Hussain Fulpoto, Rabnawaz Bugti, Ostad Sher Muhammad Bund, Ilyas Fulpoto, Gulzar Ali Fulpoto, and Shafkat Ali Bugti. At the conclusion of the meeting, a special prayer was offered for the peace, prosperity, and unity of the nation and the Muslim Ummah.